Hello and welcome back. My name is Brandon Watson. Today in this video we're going to go over Cornerstone Building Brands. It's one that I've been wanting to add to the watch list. It's been going up. It's had nice consolidation. It's already had their earnings come in as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, their earnings, they did miss their earnings a little bit. Their estimate was by 16 cents. Actual was by 6, but it looks like things are going to be picking up for them. Right now, their last volume was at 1.98 million. Relative volume has been picking up for the last 2 days. Thursday and Friday was at 3.55 and 3.54. Average volume was at 559,000. So you can see that's been picking up. Its ATR is 75 cents. So as of right now, it is only 77 cents up to its 52-week high. That's good. I really like this consolidation pattern, which is really nice. Now, looking at its channel that it's created over the last year, it's been inside of this upwards channel that's been going nicely as well. As of right now, we've been holding up inside of the middle upper range of that channel. Currently trying to break up into the upper range as we did before coming right back down into it. Its earnings could potentially help push it up and break into a new range, which would be nice. As of right now, the RSI is pointing up. It's not overbought. MACD has curled up over the 0 line, which is nice, starting to turn over. And the TTM squeeze, although that has not gone positive fully yet, that's right there at the 0 line as well. So we might be able to get a squeeze up and out over that. So looking here at the weekly, we can see that this consolidation right here is starting to push up into this $12, $13 level here. If we can break up, it's looking like we might be able to retest this $14 mark that's been created as a support before it failed. And if that can hold, we should be able to push into the $17 level over here. So I'm thinking that $14 should be relatively easy. I'm thinking in my opinion that $17 could be a relatively easy price point to hit. So from $17, or from where we're at today to $17, that's about a 33% increase. Now over the 3 years, its high was at $23. If for whatever reason it was able to get up to that, it would be an 80% increase from where we're at today. Now, looking at the monthly chart, you can kind of see that it's hard to look at the channel that's been created in here because CNR has already been at $350 before. I'm not too worried about that. That was back in 2006. But looking and zooming into that channel that was created back in 2009 all the way up to this year, you can see this bottom consolidation had formed. We're starting to break up into that middle part of the consolidation, which had formed back in 2010, started a hold over 2012, 2013, 2014 before coming back down into the bottom part of that range. Now we're starting to pop back up and over. If for whatever reason we should be able to hold that and push into that range, I'm thinking that we should be able to get these easy price targets here. So this range, if you were to risk off of this candle here and this candle were to make lower lows, for whatever reason you were to go on the next day and you were to make lower lows, the candle off of this right here is going to be a 6.4% risk. Now let's say you wanted to risk about 7% of your play and you're looking for about 3R, so that's going to be 21%. 21% up to the first price target at 15.58. That's going to be the first one. Second price target for a 28% return is 16.5, and the other price target, the third one, is going to be at 35% for 17.38. If you wanted to swing trade that and try and get into that risk to reward. Going back to the weekly, you can see that those price targets should be relatively easy to hit because we've already been there before. So I'm not saying that for sure that CNR is going to be going up to its highs again around $24, but it is possible. You can see that the volume has been picking up. It's been looking quite nice with a relative volume now over 3. As long as that holds and not having to worry about the earnings since that's already passed, we might have a chance with CNR to go in and push up into that upper range. It could take a little bit of time, but with the volatility being the way it is lately, you never really know how things can turn out. So just play things smart. Don't always just jump in. Go in with a plan. Make sure you have a stop loss if you ever do jump in. Don't just buy and hold. These swing trades can sometimes be investments. You never know when they're just going to continue to go up and up and up. But that's not to say that these can't just go up for a day before returning back down, or not even going up at all. So always manage your risk, be careful, and I appreciate y'all coming in again. So take care, have a great weekend.